Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for any tech enthusiast. The best HDMI extension cable, 15 feet long. Whether you're connecting your gaming console to your TV, streaming your favorite shows, or setting up a home theater, having a reliable HDMI cable is essential. The 15-foot length of this HDMI extension cable provides you with the flexibility you need for all your setups while reducing the clutter of long cables tangling together. The durable, nylon-braided sleeve not only looks sleek but ensures that the cable is resistant to wear and tear, making it ideal for day-to-day use. And providing you with peace of mind that it'll last through all your adventures. Now let's talk about the performance. This HDMI extension cable supports high-speed transmission, allowing you to enjoy 4K and even 8K resolutions at smooth frame rates. Imagine sitting back on your couch, immersed in stunning visuals and rich colors, without any lag or interruption. This cable is perfect for 4K gamers looking to elevate their gaming experience or for movie lovers wanting to watch their films in the best possible quality. One of the standout features of this product is its incredible compatibility. It supports HDMI 2.0, so whether you're connecting a Blu-ray player, streaming device, laptop, or gaming console, you can rest assured knowing that this cable will deliver clear and vibrant video as well as crisp audio. Plus, it's backward compatible with previous HDMI versions, so you don't have to worry about outdated devices. They can still take advantage of the high-speed performance. What's more, the design of this cable is user-friendly. The connectors are gold-plated, ensuring a stable and corrosion-resistant connection. You won't encounter any frustrating signal loss or distortion while using this cable, making your viewing experience smooth and enjoyable. The flexible and lightweight nature of the cable also means that you can easily route it through tight spaces without damaging it. Additionally, installation is a breeze. Simply plug one end of the HDMI extension cable into your device and the other end into your display, and you're ready to go. There's no need for any complicated setup or software. It's plug and play, making it a convenient solution for anyone who might not be particularly tech-savvy. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the versatility this HDMI extension cable brings to your setup. Do you want to connect a projector for a movie night or extend your monitor setup? This cable is the perfect option. You can connect devices from different rooms or even use it outdoors for backyard movie nights. At Product Critique, we're all about practicality, and this HDMI extension cable fits the bill. Investing in a quality product like this means you won't have to deal with the headaches of frequent replacements. It strikes a great balance between affordability and durability, which is hard to come by in today's market. So, whether you're a casual viewer or a hardcore gamer, the best HDMI extension cable 15FT can enhance your home entertainment experience significantly. Don't let short cables limit your creativity. Free yourself with this high-quality extension cable. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth looks at the best tech products available. We strive to bring you honest and detailed critiques so that you can make informed decisions when expanding your tech arsenal. Until next time, happy viewing.